Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can earn the blue check or how you can get verified on Instagram. So if you are a content creator or maybe influencer and you want to get your Instagram verified, you can just follow these steps. First, you just need to head to your profile and then here click on the three lines icon at the top right corner. Scroll down until you find these options meta verified. So this is for professional section. You can see meta verified and I'm not subscribed. So what you need to do to get verified, just click on that options, and in here by getting this blue checks right here, you can show that your profile is verified. You can get a verified badge, and here you can increase the account protection because you people cannot impersonate you with proactive identity monitoring. So you can also get enhanced support and upgrade profile features. You can add a header image to your links to showcase what your brand has to offer. You can also express yourself with stickers only available to meta verified subscribers. Let's just click on this unlock benefits. Just tap on sign up, and in here after the payment we'll confirm your identity, which will take up to 48 hours. And after that, here you need to pay a certain amount per month. In here on this profile you can see this is the amount that I need to pay, and what you'll get is a verified badge, increased account protection, enhanced support, upgraded profile features, and unique stickers. Click on continue again at the bottom, and after this you just need to proceed with the payment. Here you can choose your payment method, and after that just tap on subscribe and wait maximum 48 hours and you'll get that blue checks on Instagram. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.